Ever wondered why tomatoes are often hailed as a superfood? Let's delve into the world of this versatile fruit that's often mistaken for a vegetable. Tomatoes, a staple in kitchens across the globe, are more than just a flavorful addition to your favorite dishes. They're a health food superstar, packed with nutrients and boasting an array of health benefits. Tomatoes are a gift of nature that keeps on giving. From the vibrant reds of classic beefsteaks to the sunny yellows of heirloom varieties, tomatoes come in a dazzling array of colors, shapes, and sizes. Each variety has its own unique flavor profile and nutrient composition, making tomatoes a wonderfully diverse food to incorporate into your diet. These juicy fruits are a common sight in kitchens worldwide, from the simmering sauces of Italy to the fresh salsas of Mexico, the tangy chutneys of India to the hearty stews of Morocco. Tomatoes have found their way into the heart of global cuisine, not just for their delicious taste, but also for their incredible health benefits. Tomatoes are a rich source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and folate, essential for maintaining good health. They're also packed with antioxidants like lycopene, known for its potential to combat free radicals in the body. But that's not all. Tomatoes are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a fantastic choice for those mindful of their calorie intake. The humble tomato's widespread popularity isn't just down to its versatility in the kitchen. It's also due to its impressive nutritional profile that's been recognized by nutritionists and health enthusiasts alike. Tomatoes are not just a food, they're a lifestyle choice that can contribute to a healthier, more balanced diet. In the grand scheme of things, tomatoes might seem like a simple, everyday food. But when you delve deeper into their nutritional content and potential health benefits, it's clear to see why they've earned their superfood status. But what exactly makes tomatoes a nutritional powerhouse? Stay tuned to find out. So what's the secret behind the health benefits of tomatoes? It's all in the science. The humble tomato is a powerhouse of nutritional goodness, brimming with a range of vitamins and minerals, but the real magic lies in its rich supply of antioxidants, particularly lycopene. Now, lycopene is a carotenoid pigment that lends tomatoes their vibrant red color. But it's not just for show. This potent antioxidant is at the heart of the tomato's health benefits. But what exactly are antioxidants? Simply put, they're molecules that neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable atoms that can damage cells, leading to inflammation and various diseases. By neutralizing these free radicals, antioxidants help protect our cells and curb inflammation. Now let's talk about lycopene in more detail. Lycopene is a superstar when it comes to its antioxidant capacity. Studies have shown that it's especially effective at fighting oxidative stress, a key player in chronic inflammation. And unlike some other antioxidants, lycopene doesn't degrade with cooking. In fact, it becomes more readily available to our bodies. This makes cooked tomatoes and tomato products even more beneficial. But lycopene isn't the only hero in this story. Tomatoes also contain vitamin C, another potent antioxidant, and vitamin K, which plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health. Then there's potassium, a key mineral for heart health, and folate, which is essential for cell growth and metabolism. And let's not forget the dietary fiber. Tomatoes are a decent source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps control blood sugar levels. Plus, they're low in calories, making them a healthy choice for those watching their weight. So, tomatoes pack in a lot of goodness. They're not merely a tasty addition to your salad or pasta sauce. They're a potent source of antioxidants, particularly lycopene, which helps battle inflammation and protect our cells from damage. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals that support overall health. With this powerful cocktail of nutrients, it's no wonder tomatoes are a superfood. But how exactly do tomatoes combat inflammation in our bodies? That's a good question, and it's one that takes us into the fascinating world of biochemistry. Inflammation is a natural response by our bodies to injury or infection. It's a way to protect ourselves, but sometimes it can get out of hand and lead to chronic inflammation, which is associated with various health conditions like heart disease and arthritis. So where do tomatoes fit into this? It turns out that these humble fruits, or vegetables depending on who you ask, are jam-packed with nutrients that can help to curb inflammation. One of these is lycopene, a potent antioxidant that gives tomatoes their bright red color. It's a bit like this. Think of your body as a city, and inflammation as a fire breaking out. Antioxidants like lycopene are the firefighters, rushing in to quell the flames before they can cause too much damage. Lycopene in particular is a super effective firefighter, thanks to its ability to neutralize harmful free radicals that can cause oxidative stress and inflammation. But it's not just lycopene doing all the heavy lifting. Tomatoes also contain vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant, as well as vitamin E, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Plus they're high in potassium, a mineral that helps to regulate fluid balance and control the electrical activity of the heart, both of which can help to keep inflammation in check. And let's not forget about the array of other beneficial compounds found in tomatoes, such as beta-carotene and various flavonoids. Each of these contributes in its own way to the anti-inflammatory effects of tomatoes. So, the next time you're enjoying a juicy tomato, remember that you're not just satisfying your taste buds. You're also giving your body a dose of inflammation-fighting nutrients. It's clear that tomatoes pack a powerful punch when it comes to fighting inflammation. Beyond fighting inflammation, what other health benefits do tomatoes provide? Well, let's dive into it. Tomatoes wear many hats in the world of health. They're not just a key player in fighting inflammation, they also play a significant role in promoting heart health, skin health, and even cancer prevention. Let's start with heart health. Tomatoes are jam-packed with potassium, a vital nutrient that helps control blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. They also contain a nutrient called lycopene, a potent antioxidant that has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. So next time you're whipping up a salad, don't forget to toss in a handful of these heart-healthy gems. Next up, let's talk about skin health. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C and E, two vital antioxidants that help protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. They also contain beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a nutrient that's essential for maintaining healthy skin. And remember that lycopene we mentioned earlier? It's also been shown to help improve the skin's ability to protect itself from UV rays. So, if you want to keep your skin glowing and healthy, tomatoes are a must-have in your diet. Finally, let's touch on cancer prevention. Tomatoes contain a number of powerful antioxidants, including lycopene and vitamin C, that have been shown to help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including prostate, lung, and stomach cancers. While more research is needed to fully understand these connections, it's clear that tomatoes pack a powerful punch in the fight against cancer. So, how do the nutrients in tomatoes contribute to these benefits? It's simple. The nutrients work together to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, promote healthy cell growth, and support overall health. From your heart to your skin, tomatoes provide a wealth of benefits for your health. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't pass by the tomatoes. They're a simple, delicious, and powerful way to boost your health. Convinced about the power of tomatoes? Here's how you can incorporate them into your diet. Let's start with the basics. The easiest way to include more tomatoes in your diet is to simply eat them raw. Fresh tomatoes are a great addition to salads, sandwiches, and even as a snack on their own. They're juicy, refreshing, and packed with nutrients. But that's not the only way to enjoy tomatoes. Another popular form is canned tomatoes. Don't be fooled by their modest packaging. Canned tomatoes retain most of their nutritional value, making them a great choice when fresh tomatoes aren't available or when you're short on time. They're perfect for sauces, soups, and stews. And then there's tomato juice. It's a concentrated source of tomato goodness, and it's surprisingly versatile. You can drink it on its own, add it to smoothies for a nutrient boost, or even use it as a base for soups and sauces. Just be sure to choose a brand with no added sugars or preservatives to get the most health benefits. Another fantastic way to incorporate tomatoes into your meals is by experimenting with different recipes, from classic Italian pasta sauces to hearty shakshuka, from refreshing gazpacho to a simple tomato and basil bruschetta. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about salsa, a staple in Mexican cuisine that's easy to whip up and bursting with flavor. And for those of you who are feeling a bit more adventurous, why not try sun-dried tomatoes? They're intensely flavorful and can add a gourmet touch to your dishes. Toss them in pasta, scatter them on pizza, or mix them into salads for a burst of umami goodness. Remember, the key here is variety. By incorporating tomatoes in different forms into your diet, you'll not only keep your meals exciting but also ensure you're getting a broad range of nutrients. With these tips, you're well on your way to reaping the numerous health benefits of tomatoes. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights.